Carlos Ramirez, owner of Nvs Audio in Roselle, New Jersey. So we just delivered another 2024 Road Glide. It was a stage 1 audio upgrade. So on this one we did a little bit different. Used the same Nvs Audio T harness, completely plug and play, no cutting or splicing. Sound Digital evox 2 800.4. And we used the CMX 6.5 carbon fiber drop-in fit into the fairing pods. But for the tweeter, we used an Nvs Audio high-res tweeter, and we mounted it to the upper inner corners of the factory grille. Tweeter looks good. It doesn't obstruct the mid-bass. Sounds really, really good. Customer listens to a lot of rock and roll. It took us a little while to get it dialed in because most of the builds we do, it's a little more bottom end. This one's a little more top end, so that was fun for us. Another clean install, another happy client. Pretty simple build. We've got these 2024s figured out. A to B interface isn't out yet, but as you can tell from the video, these bikes sound phenomenal. And we're gonna keep trucking, we're gonna keep delivering. We keep getting more and more orders every day as people get tired of waiting for the A to B interface. And you also have to remember, when the interface comes out, our install is gonna be exactly the same. The only difference is we're gonna remove the factory amplifier and plug in the interface and get a little more output. But we're gonna keep building them, we're gonna keep putting them out, keep making these clients happy. Check out this video.
I'm holding on your rope, got me 10 feet off the ground. And I'm hearing what you say, but I just can't make a sound. You tell me that you need me, then you go and cut me down. But wait, tell me that you're sorry, didn't think I'd turn around. You say that it's too late to apologize.
So deeply written, all the magic that you share. So sacrifice and show how.